Now I'm going to show you how to join two coax cables together. I'm using solder this time to make it nice and strong. First of all, I've taken the outer insulation off to reveal the braid. Then I'm cutting back the foil and I'm twisting the wires together so I can join the two cables together to make a good electrical connection. Next, I'm going to cut the inner insulation. This will reveal the copper core, as you can see. Now I'm going to cut the second coax cable, identical to the first one. So I'm going to bend the inner core using the long nose pliers. I'm bending both of them so that it basically hooks together, and then I'm going to twist the inner cores together. Now when I twist them together, just make sure it is a good connection before I solder. I will need to trim it up as well using the cutters I've got. Now I'm going to use my soldering iron. Don't need too much on there, just to make sure that it's all okay. Now you could have tinned it first, but I don't think I required that for this one. So I'm putting black tape over the centre part. That will stop it from shorting out with the earth or the braid. So I'm going to twist these together, and now I'm going to tape up. Now on some of them, if it was copper braid, I could actually use a soldering iron and make it even better. But unfortunately, because it's aluminium, it is not easy to solder that section. So, almost done. Thank you for watching, and if you got value from this video, please share, like and subscribe.